Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to change or disable sleeping settings in Windows 10 and Windows 11 or sleep settings. Go to the start menu and type sleep settings, power and sleep settings, and change this option. In the screen lock, and for example change to 2 hours, or go to a setting symbol or type settings, hit enter, go to system and scroll down and select power and sleep and change, for example never, and change the performance or change to best energy savings. Other additional option is this. Go to additional power settings in the laptop, go to change plan settings, and you can change this option, for example never, save settings, and this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.